Are you not reaching the amount of clientele you should be? Or maybe sales are lagging and you're unsure of how to get your head above water. If so, web marketing could be the answer to all of your problems. There are currently over 966 million websites online today. How do you make your website stand out when there are so many options available? In the following video, we'll go over the tips for using web marketing to stand out from the crowd. What are you really selling? Successful brands know that web marketing isn't just about selling a product, it's about selling a fantasy. Makeup doesn't sell makeup, it sells the idea of being beautiful and desirable. Restaurants aren't selling food, they're selling a convenience to a busy mom or a place to make new memories with friends. Once you know what you're selling, you can start to brainstorm on what web marketing tactics best suit your products. Focus on what makes you different. One mistake companies often make is not focusing on what makes them unique. Even worse, some companies try to blend in with everyone else. Instead of branding yourself as one of the countless other companies offering the same product or service, find a niche. If you're an independently owned bike shop, stop wasting time trying to make your website look like it's competing with Sports Authority. Focus on what makes you different. Consumers love authenticity. Establish your target market. Once you've established what it is you're selling, it's time to figure out your niche. This means picking specific segments of the population that you can market to. Let's take that makeup line for example. Is your anti-aging foundation something that people can't get enough of? Market to baby boomers looking to get ahead of the aging curve. Do you make glitter eyeshadow in every shade of the rainbow? Then focus on millennials, drag enthusiasts, and ravers. Do you make cruelty-free, paraben-free shampoo that makes your hair smell amazing? Focus on vegan blogs, festivals, and farm-to-table buying, socially conscious types. Aligning and partnering with brands. Finding brands that align with yours can be a great entry point for gaining a larger audience. The key is to find brands that are similar but not competition. Even better, you should look for influencers in your industry to connect with. If you're a lingerie company, maybe this means reaching out to an Instagram model whose style matches up with your brand. Maybe that model would be willing to partner with you on a capsule collection she can promote to her millions of followers in exchange for a piece of the profits. Continue to engage your audience. Once you've mastered web marketing, how do you continue to engage your new audience? How do you make sure your customers come back to your site again and again? One option is to create exclusive content for your website. Giving the customer something that they can't get anywhere else is always a great way to attract prospects. For example, you can create video content that shows your customers behind the scene access to your company. Whatever type of content you use, make sure to keep your website updated and exciting. You have everything you need to take your brand to the next level. All it takes is a little ingenuity, marketing expertise, and planning. For more information on how you can grow your brand with web marketing and SEO expertise, visit our site and check out our blog. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.